Hakan rotary uniu banai ke menteri wapai ya ke chnat yang irep riang wa chait khiah ke Dr. M Ampareen lengdo deilang waki MLA ke West Jaiñtia wa kentup ya ulak kemen remboi unu jorki sungo wailat miki shela ke Santa Mary shela na jrongki sahep sarkar ke jela dahir ke chejwai wa yachem wa buddin waki bor wa ta upai ya ke chnat irep riang wa chait khiah havro artli ki district ke West Jaiñtia kite ke isu ke West Jaiñtia district. Yagani ke yalang dapat man ha conference hall ke yung krekam yung divisional soil and water conservation hajwai DWM lang le na do UDC ke is wa West Jaiñtia Hills de lang wa ki sahep sarkar yung waro ar district we nangkong de em chwa ke yachem wa ke chnat chait khiah hei wa ke Dr. M Ampareen dia klam haro ko wa ki Aisha hei to open by smart no isu ya kanong wa sa ten yongki hagano charing sngi wan de yachem go wa ki sahep ke chnat irep riang tang wane daw wa ke menteri ngau chait bah ko we denang ngau tlot chu ko kat wadang chong yalang kamte mandawai ke yalang daliwan bai ko shishlong we hei thau yang ka dahap uklam no da ke Santa Mary shella MLA ke sutnga saipung constituency wa ki watho khubor nei liang ke Santa Mary khana go wa yakni ke yalang da khut da ke menteri nei daw wa kwa ko utip ye rukom kre kam kini ki chnan kam ju e kho wa mat ki khnang yo ye upan bha chu ye chakri pai ba da onggale waki kam ki MLA wa emlang hakini ki yalang da pensngau ki jar jeri e kho kam ju em kam hajar ke district la hayato chait khiah ne irep riang kam te juluti go walang ba kam gani ki yachem yumut wa iwan ke menteri daw em ikella ne bha wa ka sarkar hile da perchang go yaki buj ki bor go bon
yang actually the meeting today ban review madam has personally send us to come to be here today. It's because the meeting but they don't come. Don't come health is one of the most the big issue actually in the state. So there is a lot of things that we have to streamline in both the district West Jaiñtia and West Jaiñtia. Therefore, ma'am, she came here to find out what are the issues and the problems, and we had raised some issues. The MLs were here, all the I think 4 or 5 MLs were here from the Jaiñtia Hills. So we raised many issues and what are the issues, what are the real problems in our district, both the district. So therefore, for that case, she had taken initiative that things will work out well in the future, slowly. Of course, everything can't come immediately, everything can come at the same time, but slowly there will be much changes in the future. Our government is trying very hard to make a lot of changes in every department, in every sector. So therefore, we are here for the review meeting and also to make better changes in the future. Today, we are hearing so many complaints from the public, from the staff and everything. So for better service, we are here to we can tackle a few problems, especially in the CHC and the PHC and the civil hospital and Khiah and Yalong civil hospital. We are here to tackle a few points, especially we don't have much manpower at the moment. So the officers and madam is also here, our secretary, so we'll take up the matter slowly.
I hope you are aware about the case, recent case in Longchuna.
Yes, I know about the cases.
About that incident that the lady who was on the hospital helped to deliver the child. Any comments on that?
Yeah, actually it's the negligence of the doctors, and what can we say? We have all spoke about that also today, that doctors and nurses should always be there, 24 hours. Health is a very important, health and the police department is a very important sector, so they have to be there 24 hours in any time. Even if the doctor is only, another doctor should be there or a nurse should be there, that's all.
What is your say on medicine? Because most of the time there is a complaint that the district head, from when they indent medicine, they don't get what they need, what they require, and most of the time even for general medicines like cough, fever, so on, they don't get medicine on time.
Yes,
people have to buy outside.
Yeah, and that also we have spoken about, and we are trying to take the level to the next level. All these problems also, we are trying our level best to whatever necessary, especially for the services of our people. We need to streamline everything. That is what we are trying to do now. So that's why this meeting is being held.
What is your say on agriculture, as your district is most affected on coal mining?
Yeah, it's affected coal mining, but then the agriculture, even our people also, some are interested, some are not interested, so what to say also on that. But those who are interested, the agriculture department is trying their best. Whatever funds they have received, they have given to the beneficiary. So that is the thing only. They're trying their level best, all the officers.
Government of boost Lakadong turmeric. We have seen in your district most, say like Batao, Lama village and other village, and even Molam Liang, they have started for turmeric cultivation, and they face a lot of problems as there is no processing unit there. What is your say on that?
We have got 2 processing units, right? Just now we spoke about a processing unit. We have got 2 processing units in West Jaiñtia. So on that, I think the processing head, I don't know what is his name, but he said that there are one more proposal is still there. So they'll try and implement that also in the district.
Because the government encourage to sell in powder, not in slicer, not in.
That's what we are trying to get, another processing unit. So hopefully we should get by this year or next year also. It's not an issue, but we are trying our level best to streamline everything. That's what. I think they have given some payments. I'm not very sure, because I am not the minister, so I cannot comment so much on that. So I think they have given, but what I've learned, they have given a few lakhs of rupees to the Asha, I think for 2-3 months. So for the festival especially, and also I think the director Ram Kumar, he has taken the priority on them, that there are problems in Asha group. I mean, the Asha people are facing is that they are not receiving their monthly salary. So I think they have given some salary in this, I think 2-3 months. I am not so sure, but I have seen the amount they have given already.
For the whole state?
Yes. No, only for here in Jaiñtia Hills. Not for the whole state. The whole state will be like so much.